Resetting Siri for improved performance. How to reset Siri on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app and tap Siri and search. Toggle off the switch for Listen for Hey Siri. Next, turn off Press Side button for Siri or Press Home for Siri. Confirm by tapping Turn off Siri. Tap Siri and Dictation History. If you don't see the Siri and Dictation History option, go to General, Settings and tap Keyboard. Re-enable the switch for Enable Dictation. Then, go back to Siri setting and select Siri and Dictation History. Tap Delete Siri and Dictation History and confirm. Then, restart your iPhone or iPad. Open Settings and go to Siri and search. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri and Press Side button for Siri or Press Home for Siri. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. How to reset Siri on your Mac. Go to your Mac system settings. Select Siri or Siri and Spotlight from the sidebar. Next to Siri or Ask Siri, toggle the switch to turn off. Now, go to Keyboard Settings from the sidebar options. Under Dictation, check if the feature is turned on. If it is, toggle the switch to deactivate it. Restart your Mac to apply these changes. Once your Mac has restarted, go back to the Siri settings in System Settings. Turn Siri back on. This will make the Delete Siri and Dictation History button clickable. Click the Delete Siri and Dictation History button and confirm by clicking Delete to remove your Siri data from Apple servers. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. With the real-time protection feature, Combo Cleaner continuously scans your Mac for potential infections and stops them before they spread. With the anti-malware scanner, check for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The Disk Cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Use the Combo Cleaner AI chatbot to ask questions or upload images related to cybersecurity. It will analyze your provided information and reply with valuable insights. For example, you can ask a question about cybersecurity or upload a screenshot of an email, and it will determine if it's a scam or not. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.